Welcome to Techville, where magic and technology intertwine to create endless possibilities. Meet Alex, a curious child on a journey of discovery.
What's this magical machine?
Hello, Alex. I'm your new friend. I can help you learn, play, and explore amazing things. Like a good friend, I'm always here to assist you. Let me share some characteristics that make me a good friend. Just like a friend you can count on, I work consistently and don't take breaks. I have a vast amount of information. You can ask me anything, and I'll do my best to provide answers. I can repeat things as many times as needed without getting frustrated. From educational games to creative activities, I can help you explore a variety of interests.
But how?
Let me tell you how I assist kids like you. I provide fun and educational games that make learning exciting. Want to draw, write stories, or create music? I'm here to help you unleash your creativity. Stuck with homework? I can provide information and tips to make your tasks easier. You can use me to chat with friends, share ideas, and even collaborate on projects.
With a computer as your companion, the adventure never ends. Embrace the magic of technology and unlock your full potential.